Hi, this is a quick overview of the College of the Emeriti site. This is what it looks like when you sign in. Notice that this class is designed around wellness. All of our classes within this site are designed around the 6 dimensions of wellness, which are social, physical, intellectual, emotional, occupational, and spiritual. Your goal as members of this class are to try to identify how you can become more well. And this could be in any of these 6 categories and probably some sort of a combination of these categories. Now, this is not the type of class where you get assignments each week and you follow the assignments and you end up with a particular set of information. Instead, this is a class that you decide what it is you want to get out of it, and then you set out to do this. It's very much a learner-designed curriculum. That being said, when you first come onto the site, you probably want to know where are the best places to begin. And I would say that would be the learning community. So in order to get there, you will click on the social category, and you will see that the learning community is the first class in the social category. Now you might have to log in at this point, and so to log in, basically you write your first letter and your last name, and then you type in the password that was assigned to you. And here we are in the Learning Community site. This is the basic site where we just sort of can go and find out what's going on and maybe find out if there's any announcements or anything. I'm going to switch to the student view so you can see what it looks like on your end. A couple of things that you might notice about the learning community. First of all, the first thing you see is it's directing you to a wiki. This is an outside source, and on this wiki you could find out about the wellness plans that you might be designing, and I've got my sample plan as well. And so we'll talk about this later on, but this is something that each of you can do and you can add to this particular site. In order to go back, you would just click on the back arrow, and then you would be able to get back to our course. All right. Notice that you have a link to the open classroom, which you can click on any time. And if you haven't been there yet, go on. The first thing you want to do is sign in with your name. And you can either let the computer take it from there. You might have to click download the file. And you can see that it's going through the process. It's eventually going to take us to our class. These are all things that you expect to see. And basically the online classroom is a place where we could meet. We can show slideshows. We can have teacher hours. You can talk about your wellness plan with me. These are all things that can be done within the online classroom. Something else that you'll notice on here is the calendar. Now, in this wellness class, you've got things that you can do either as a class, individually, or events that we might be interested in. Anytime where you see something circled or squared and notes, that means that that's activities going on. Every Monday and Wednesday, you can find an exercise class, either a light exercise class or an active class on Monday afternoons. If you're interested in trying them out, just click on the note and it tells you what it is that's going on that particular day. Now notice that on the 19th there's an event. That would be the Union Tribune Successful Aging Expo, and you can find out more about that by joining their website. And so that calendar is something you can find not only in the learning community but in all of your other classes as well. There might also be some instructions that are offered week by week. And so last week we had a virtual classroom session. If there's any other announcements or things, we'll put them on under the date. So basically this is one good place for you to go. Now you can see over here you can also get to the other categories. This physical category is maybe the most developed one, and this is because, of course, I'm a physical education instructor. And if you're taking brain fitness, you can find your class there. If you are not taking brain fitness but would like to learn more about brain fitness, you can click on the site, and this is the brain fitness site. You can also look at the personal health and aging site. This is a great overall site if you're interested in improving your health by exercise or other nutrition or other areas. You can use this site for lots of different ways to become more well. So this is a pretty robust class as far as College of the Emeriti is concerned. Okay, there's besides the physical category, there's also the intellectual category. And this is a great site if you are trying to learn how to use a computer. If you go to basic tutorials, there's some excellent um, places that are already starting to become that you can see on the website that can help you learn a little bit more about computers in general. Back to the College of the Emeriti, these other categories are not quite as developed. Um, if you have any ideas on how to develop some different topics involving your healthy emotions, depression and anxiety and things like that might be included in that category. If you are looking for a job, you might want to go on to the 50 Plus Learning Forum site. This was developed to help people that are looking for jobs that are over the age of 50. And it's got lots of different things on the site. Not only things having to do with looking for a job, but also things about the computer and social networking and the internet. Okay, and then maybe the last one, again, not very well developed, is spiritual. So you might have some ideas on how we could develop this site as well. I think this gives you an idea that this is a growing site. Definitely this site depends on you, the community, and this semester the way that the site grows will depend on how you, the community, wants it to grow. If you have any ideas on ways that you can contribute to this site to make it a better site, this is your opportunity. For now, your goal as a community is to identify how in the next few months you can become more well, whether that be by using some of the classes within the College of Emeriti to improve yourself, or perhaps to help develop some of these classes to help others understand a little bit more about their own wellness. Also, you can use the College of the Emeriti to learn more or to teach, as we said. So keep in communication with me. If you have any ideas on what you would like to do with your semester, please email me, or you can always go on to the social community, the learning community, and you can post that on the learning forum. So you can add a new discussion topic, and you can talk about your wellness plan and what you would like to do. And then you can post it to the forum. And then you can see that when you come back on the forum, you've got my wellness plan, and that would of course been you, and that would be your name there. Now hopefully this cleared up things a little for you. Please feel free again to email me at any time. Here's my email address, or to communicate with the forum, or to join our open classrooms. We'll keep you posted on when there's going to happen. You can request that I join you in an open classroom, and we can go to the Illuminate site if you would like. Just email me and let me know. Good luck, and keep in touch. Bye.